Hello everyone and welcome to my video presentation related to Deribit exchange. This is Scramble from Emotions Crypto Trading, and today's topic is related to how to deposit. It's going to be one of the tutorial videos I am putting out along many others. So here we go, guys. First thing you gotta do is make sure you have an account. And in order to get an account with 10% discount on your fees while trading, make sure to click the link in the description area or comments area and be part of my team. You get 10% discount on the fees, which is awesome. Other things related to Deribit, well, you gotta log in and go to your simply arrow on the top right corner, which is talking about your username, and then click on your deposit. Once you reach to your deposit tab, you have to generate your Bitcoin wallet first. So you generate your address, which is going to appear right here, along with the QR code next to it. Now, the only way to deposit into the platform is going to be Bitcoin. If you click on the Ethereum button over there, on the top left corner, something that I've just did, is giving you the ability to deposit with a single altcoin as well. So they're also giving you a warning here that you need to be aware of, that the gas limit you are setting while you're doing the transaction needs to be 32,000 minimum. Depositing from another exchange might not work. We strongly suggest only to deposit from an Ethereum wallet. Therefore, if you don't know how to do this, like gas limit, or you don't have any other wallet or such things, do not complicate yourself with the Ethereum into Deribit. Better go to the Bitcoin top left corner and then deposit. After you have generated your address, you got everything sorted out, complete your deposit, and you're good to go. Keep in mind that the minimum deposit is mentioned basically, it needs to be 1 over there. So look at that, where's my mouse right now? It needs to be 0.0001. That is the minimum deposit. If you deposit less than that, then it's not going to appear within your account and you're going to have troubles. So please deposit at least that quantity of Bitcoins of 0.0001. So you can maximum have 3 zeros after the point, and then it needs to be at least 1 Bitcoin afterwards, right? So that's all about today's video, right? This is how you deposit onto the platform. This is how you can take advantage of utilizing. We're going to have a series of videos within this tutorial, so make sure to stick with me till the end. There's tons of things we can learn around.